Let's learn the tree, the prefix tree. Store 1,000,000 words and answer. Is this word present? And does anything start with this prefix? A hash set nails exact lookups, but is helpless with prefixes. The tree's idea: store words as paths where common prefixes share nodes. Car and card and care walk the same CAR path before splitting. Search costs the length of the word, completely independent of how many words you've stored. That's the structure behind autocomplete, and we already met it in HLD. Now we build it. Definition first. A tree, or prefix tree, stores strings character by character along paths from the root, so words that share a prefix share those nodes. Lookup and insert cost the length of the word, regardless of whether the tree holds 10 words or 10 million. That's why autocomplete and prefix search are tree territory. The structure is 2 fields. Children, either a 26-slot array for lowercase letters, fast and simple, or a HashMap for flexible alphabets. And isEndOfWord, a Boolean flag. And here's why it's essential. Car and card share the exact same path. The flag is what records at the node or ends a real word, while the node at and C it does not. Forgetting the flag is the classic beginner bug. Search for C, it returns true because the path exists. The path existing means it's a prefix. The flag means it's a word. Keep those separate. The 3 operations are the same walk with different endings. Insert. Walk the word character by character, creating missing nodes, and flag the final one. Search. Walk, and if a child is ever missing, false. If you finish the walk, return the flag. Starts with identical walk, but finishing is enough. No flag check. Prefixes don't need to be words. All 3 are O of word length. 1,000,000 words or 10. The cost doesn't change. And saying that out loud is the complexity point of this interview. The famous upgrade. Add and search words, where a dot matches any character. Normal characters walk normally. On a dot, you branch. Recursively try every child, and if any branch completes the word, return true. Notice what just happened. The tree combined with backtracking from a few videos ago. Worst case, the dots explode the search, and admitting that honestly, wildcards cost, everything else stays O of L, is exactly the right complexity answer. And the boss combo, word search 2. Find all dictionary words hidden in a letter grid. Naive is a grid DFS per word, hopeless for big dictionaries. The combo, build 1 tree of the entire dictionary, then DFS the grid once, walking the tree in lockstep with your path. The moment the current path has no matching tree child, prune, that entire direction can't spell any word. Hit an end of word flag, record it. 1 traversal, all words, with the tree acting as a pruning oracle. This is the single most impressive tree appearance in interviews, and its patterns composing again. Tree plus backtracking plus grid DFS. Cat and car share the C to a path. Each word's last node is flagged as end. Lookup equals walk the letters. Prefix query equals walk to the prefix node. Its subtree, IS the completion list. Now the mistakes to avoid, straight from the field. Beginner forgetting is end. Search, set. True because cat exists, assuming children exist. Intermediate 26 array for non-lowercase alphabets. Use a HashMap child map. Memory blindness. Each node equals 26 slots. Advanced not knowing the wildcard extension. Matches any to DFS branching or word search pruning. Delete exhausted nodes. Interview questions on this. Rapid fire. Tree versus hash set. Prefix queries plus O, L. Independent of dictionary size versus exact only. Search versus starts with. IsEnd required versus node reached suffices. Wildcard search. DFS all children at that position. Complexities. Insert / lookup OL. Space O total chars times alphabet. And what most tutorials never tell you. Memory is the trade-off. Naive tries are pointer heavy. Production systems compress. Radix / Patricia tries by merging single child chains. Tries power routing tables. IP longest prefix match. the same longest prefix walk as autocomplete. Let's slow down and really build this up from scratch, one piece at a time. The patterns promise OL, everything plus prefix queries as first-class citizens. Box 3 is the honest trade. A tree buys speed with pointer-heavy memory, and you must be able to say so. Trace the arrows on screen slowly. That single picture is the whole idea in one glance. Let's slow down and really build this up from scratch, one piece at a time. 2 design decisions total. How children are stored, array versus map. The memory trade, and what extra data rides on nodes, is in today. Counts, top K lists, or the whole word reference in the variants below. Trace the arrows on screen slowly. That single picture is the whole idea in one glance. Let's slow down and really build this up from scratch, one piece at a time. The search slash starts with difference is exactly one condition. The is in check. And forgetting it, search, returning true because cat exists, is the most reported tree bug. Costs. Insert slash search slash starts with all OL. Dictionary size never appears. Trace the arrows on screen slowly. That single picture is the whole idea in one glance. Let's slow down and really build this up from scratch, one piece at a time. The design lesson. The tree is a shared prefix filter for many simultaneous searches. This composition, a structure, prunes the backtracking, turns a famous hard into something mechanical, and it's the same shape as autocomplete below. Store the word on its end node, instead of isEnd, to skip string builder bookkeeping. Trace the arrows on screen slowly. That single picture is the whole idea in one glance. Let's slow down and really build this up from scratch, one piece at a time. Here's how it flows on screen. Autocomplete. Walk to the prefix node, OL, then DFS its subtree. Everything below is the completion list cost OL plus matches, independent of dictionary size. Next, production twist, HLDPCH11, search autocomplete. Don't DFS at query time. Pre-compute and store the top K completions on each node. A keystroke is then OL, walk plus O of one read, at a memory premium. Next, memory trade, array. 26 node equals 26 refs, 200 plus bytes. Even with 2 children. Fastest hops, brutal on sparse tries. HashMap children equals pay only for letters used, but hashing per hop plus per entry overhead. Compressed, radix slash Patricia. Tries merge single child chains. The production fix. Trace the arrows on screen slowly. That single picture is the whole idea in one glance. Let's build a tree by hand. Insert cat. From a root, C is missing, so create it. O is missing, create it. T is missing, create it, and flag it as a word end. 3 new nodes. Now insert car. C already exists, walk into it. Already exists, walk into it. Only R is new. 1 new node, because cat and car share the C to a corridor. Insert dog. Shares nothing, so it grows a whole new branch off the root. 9 letters typed, but only 7 nodes created. That gap is prefix compression, and the rule is simple. Walk what exists, dig what is not, flag the last. Here is the comparison to say out loud in an interview. A hash set stores each word as an opaque blob, so car and careland in unrelated buckets. It can answer, is this exact word present? But for does anything start with C-A, it must scan every single key. A tree lays words on shared paths, so starts with C-A is a 2-hop walk, and the whole subtree below is the answer, independent of dictionary size. The trade is honest. The tree spins extra pointers, that is memory, to turn a prefix into a place you can stand on. You buy prefixes with pointers. Autocomplete is the payoff. The user types a prefix, you walk it once. Type CAR 3 hops, and you stand on the R node. Now depth first search everything below you, collecting the word end flags. R itself is car, its D child is card, its E child is care. The result, car card care, costs the length of the prefix plus the number of matches, and you never touch a word outside that subtree. The prefix node subtree is the dropdown. In production, you pre-compute the top few completions on each node, so a keystroke is a walk plus a constant read. Deleting a word must not damage other words. 2 moves. First, unmark the end flag. Then, on the way back up, remove a node only if it now has no children and is not itself a word end. Watch. Delete car from the set car and card. Reach R, turn off its flag. Can we prune R? No, R still has a child D for card, so we keep every node. Car is gone as a word, but the nodes stay. Now delete card too. Unmark D. D is childless. Prune it. Now R is childless and no longer a word. Prune R, then A, then C. The rule. Unmark first, then cut only the childless non-words on the way up. Longest common prefix falls out of tree. Insert every word, then walk down from the root as long as there is exactly one child and no word has ended. Take flower, flow, and flight. All share F then L. At the L node, flow wants O and flight wants I, so the L node has 2 children. That fork is where agreement ends. So the walk gives F, then L, then stops at the fork. Answer, FL. And if one whole word had ended earlier, an isEnd flag, that would stop the walk too, because a finished word cannot be extended. Replace words. You are given dictionary roots like cat and bad, and you replace each word by its shortest root. Build a tree of the roots. To replace cattle, walk C, A, T. The T node is flag as a word end, so cat is a complete root. Stop immediately. Do not walk the leftover TLE and omit cat. The first is end you touch is the shortest root, so early stopping is the whole trick. And if you hit a missing child before any is end, no root matched, so you keep the original word. The surprise tree. Maximum XOR of 2 numbers. The alphabet is just 0 and 1, and each number is its binary form, most significant bit first. Take 3, which is 011, and 5, which is 101. Insert both as bit paths. Now to find the best XOR partner for 5, walk greedily wanting the opposite bit at every level, because a 1 in a higher bit beats everything below it. 5 starts with 1, so we want a 0, and the root has 1, take it toward 3. Next we want a 1, it exists, take it. Last bit forced. Result 110, which is 6, exactly 5 XOR 3. 1 query per number, 32 hops each, far beating the quadratic brute force. Finally, memory, because a tree buys speed with pointers. An array of 26 children per node is the fastest hop but wastes 26 slots even when 1 is used. A hash map of children pays only for letters actually present, at the cost of hashing per hop. The heavyweight fix is a radix or Patricia tree. Any chain of single-child nodes collapses into one edge labeled with a whole substring. Compress the words T, tin, and team. The TTE chain has no branch, so merge it into one TE edge, which then branches to A and N. Fewer nodes. Edges carry substrings. This is exactly how IP routers do longest prefix match. And note, array 26 assumes lowercase a to z, so Unicode or mixed case forces HashMap children. Now the part candidates ask for most, what real companies actually probe on this topic, based on public interview reports, not official statements. Amazon reported implement Trie 208 as the class design screen, and word search 212 as the hard. The lockstep prune and in-place visited marking are reportedly the graded parts. Product search autocomplete as the design tan. Google reported LC 212 plus design-flavored follow-ups, millions of words. Memory, then mapped children radix compression, maximum XOR for 121 as the bitwise tree surprise. Meta reported design add-in search words with wildcard 211. The branches into all children DFS is the tested insight. Search suggestions system 1268 in screens. Microsoft reported 208 plus replace words 648 and longest word in dictionary 720. Tree walks with early stopping. Here is how the same answer is graded, from weak to excellent, so you know exactly what an interviewer is listening for. Question: implement a tree with insert, search, starts with. Why asked? Clean class design plus the isEnd subtlety. Weak. Hash set for search plus a linear scan for starts with. Passes small tests. Good. Node with children plus isEnd. 3 OL walks. Excellent. Shares one walk helper. Articulates search versus starts with as isEnd required versus arrival suffices. States OL. Time and space O. Total characters times alphabet. Impress. For Unicode, I'd swap array. 26 for map children. At scale, radix compression merges single child chains. Red flag. Search. CA. Returning true. Question: find all dictionary words in this letter grid. Word search to. Weak. Per word backtracking. Oh, words times grid DFS. Stalls. Good. 1 tree. 1 DFS prune on missing child. Excellent. Word stored on its end node. No string builder rebuilds. Nulled after recording for dedup. Board cell flipped to hashtag and restored. CH11's choose explore unchoose named explicitly. Impress. Pruning exhausted leaves from the tree, so the search shrinks as words are found. Question: design autocomplete for a search box. Weak. Filter the whole word list per keystroke. Good. Tree walk plus subtree DFS. Oh, L plus matches. Excellent. Per node pre-computed top K. Memory for latency trade stated. Refreshed by background rebuilds. Impress. The bridge to HLDP CH11. Sharding the tree by prefix. Top K refresh pipelines. Typo tolerance as bounded edit distance DFS. Your cheat sheet. Path equals word. Shared prefixes share nodes. isEnd marks words. Oh. Word length. Everything. Autocomplete equals walk plus subtree DFS. Array children for a Z. Map children for open alphabets. And the memory trick. The path is the word. Quick check. Why autocomplete with a tree instead of a hash set? A set can only answer exact membership. A tree lets you walk down to the prefixes node, and the entire subtree below, it is exactly the list of completions. Quick favor. If this is useful, subscribe and turn on the bell. New videos and daily updates. Every 0 to deep. Now to recap. Let's lock it in. A tree stores words as paths, sharing common prefixes. Each node is children plus an end-of-word flag, and the flag is what separates a prefix from a word. Insert, search, and starts with each one walk, O of word length, independent of dictionary size. Wildcards branch into every child. Tree meets backtracking. And word search 2 uses the tree as a pruning oracle over a grid DFS, finding every word in one traversal. That's the tree, autocomplete's engine, and an interview favorite. And that's the tree. If you want the full code, the word search 2 walkthrough and memory optimizations, it's all in the full write-up in the Code of Aura library. Like, subscribe, and keep building.